Hello everyone. How are you? I think hope you are all fine. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert standard to Roman numeral and a Roman numeral to standard. So we know the flowchart for Roman numerals, how it goes from left to right, small to large, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. For I, the value is 1. For V, the value is 5. For X, the value is 10. For L, 50, C, 100, D, 500 and M, 1000. So first we'll learn how to convert standard to a Roman numeral. So I took the number 1988, 1988. Divide it into 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. Okay, how can we write this 1988? 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 8, right? After then separate 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. It is 4 digit. What is the symbol for 4 digit for 1000? It is M. After that for 900 we can write 500 plus 400. But if we write like that, it violates the rule, because what the rule says, first rule, if you want rules, you can see the previous video. No letter in the no symbol in the Roman numeral, it has to be repeated more than 3 times. So if we write 500 plus 400, okay, we will write 500 D. We should not write C for 4 times because it violates the rule. So we will go to rule number 5, which is rule of subtract. What rule of subtract? 1000 minus 100. We can write 900 as 1000 minus 100. What is the symbol for 1000? It is M. For 100 it is C. No? 2 digit. 80. We can write 50 plus 30. It does not violate the rule, so that we can write 50 plus 30. What is the symbol for 50? It is L. For 30 it is, we can write as 10 plus 10 plus 10, 3x. And for 8 we can write directly Roman numeral 8. Okay, 5 plus 3, 5V. For 3 it is 3 i's. So the Roman numeral for 1988 is M, C, M, L, triple X and V, 3 i's. Okay. Now if we go to second example, I took 2050. 2050 can be written as 2000 plus 50. 2000, 1000 plus 1000. What is the symbol for 1000? M. 1000 plus 1000, 2 M's. And for 50, the symbol is L. So the Roman numeral for 2050 is MML. In the same way, if we go for example 3, 1879. We can write it as 1000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9. Okay. What is the symbol for 1000? M. For 800 we can write it as 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. What is the symbol for 500? D. For 300s, 3 C's. And for 70, 50 plus 20. 50 L. For 20, 2x. And for 9 we can write directly Roman numeral 1x. So the Roman numeral for 1879 is M, D, triple C, L, double X and 1 IX. Okay. In the same way, you have to do this 1526 and 911. Comment me in the comment section below. Now if we go for how to convert Roman numeral to a standard, I took the example MCMXCIX. What is the standard number for this Roman numeral? Let us find out. First of all, what I said to divide in 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. Here 4 digit symbol is M. Here also it is M. So we have to include all these 3 Roman numerals. Okay, M, C, M. So if we go for M, it is 4 digit. What is that? 1000. See here, this is the larger symbol and this is the smaller symbol. That means it is following the rule of subtract. So we need to subtract 1000 minus 100. What it will be? 900. And if we go for XC, this is 2 digit. We are dividing this 4 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. Okay. For C it is 100. It is following rule of subtract. So we are using rule of subtract, larger symbol and smaller symbol. So we are subtracting 100 minus 10. It will be 90. And we can write directly Roman numeral 9. So it will be 1999. And next example. See here, what is the Roman numeral given? M, D, C, C, X, I. What I said, first of all divide 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. M it is 4 digit. D, C, C it is of 3 digit. X 2 digit. 1 only I it is of 1 digit. So what is the value for M? 1000. Right. See here, it is following rule of add. It is a larger symbol, it is the smaller symbol. It is following rule of add, which is rule number 4. For rules, you need to watch my previous video so that you will be clear in this video. What is the value of D? 500. C? 100. As it is having 2 C's, we will write 200. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of I? 1. So, we need to add all these. 1000 plus 500, 1500. 1500 plus 200, 1700. 1700 plus 10, 1710. 1710 plus 1, it is 1711. Clear? So, if we move to next example, D, C, C, X, L and 3 I's. Divide it into 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. These 3 are of 3 digits. These 2 are of 2 digits. This is 1 digit. The value for I is 1. So, here for the value of D, what is the value of D? It is 500. For C, it is 100. Here also 100. See here it is larger symbol, L is larger symbol and X is smaller symbol. That means it is following rule of subtract, rule number 5. So what we need to do, for the value of L is 50, the value of X is 10, 50 minus 10. And if we go for this 3 I's, 3 I's means number 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 100, 700. Here it is 40. 700 plus 40 plus 3, it is 743. In the same way, you need to solve this example and comment me in the comment section below. I think you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, please suggest me in the comment section, and compulsory watch the previous video so that you can do this example very easily. And thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it, and bye bye.